Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to hide WhatsApp status. So if you have some WhatsApp status hidden and now you want to hide them, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to unhide WhatsApp status, all you need to do is go ahead and open the WhatsApp application. Click on update, then you want to swipe left until you get to where you see hidden. Click on hidden. Now you have access to all the WhatsApp status you hide on your WhatsApp. Now to hide any of these WhatsApp status, all you simply need to do is press and hold the WhatsApp status and then click on unhide. Now you want to repeat this on all the WhatsApp status you want to hide on your WhatsApp, and then you are good. So that's exactly how to hide WhatsApp status. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.